Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to calculate correlation in spreadsheet. We'll explain with the help of an example. In this sheet we have four variables x, y1, y2 and y3 and each variable contain around 30 observations. To calculate correlation between x and y1, we will use function equal correl range of x and the range of y. The range of x will start from a3 to a32 and the range of y1 will start from b3 to b32 and then you press enter. The correlation between two variables is 0.00022. Similarly, to calculate correlation between x and y2, we'll use same function correl. Take the value of x, which is a3 to a32, comma, the value of y2 from C3 to C32 and then you press enter, the correlation is 0.99. And again, to calculate correlation between x and y3, we are again using correl function. X is a3 to a32 and y3 will start from b3 to b32. And when we press enter, the correlation is minus 0.988. So just see here, the correlation between first two variable is approximately 0. The correlation between x and y2 is 0.99, highly correlated, and the correlation between x and y3 is minus 0.98, highly negative correlated. Hope it is helpful.